Guys, this is actually September 12, I arrived at Wuhan. And now it's September 14. So, nung September 12, it's my anniversary here in Taiwan. I'm already here for 1 year, guys. And the thing is, it's just normal for me. Actually felt more alone. That day, I felt more alone than I ever was. I didn't feel alone by the time I went here after the internship. Just that day, I cried. I felt like I'm doing nothing. But then I take a look at what I achieved in 1 year. I already achieved to have a camera and to have a laugh in an occurrence of 1 year. When I came here, wow. Cannot really use this spoon for rice. You will just feel like, next thing, I want to put this noodles in our hot pot. Can you see it? Okay. That's how you do. I always order cheese milk pot. I didn't order anything anymore. It's my favorite. I'm very loyal for the things I like. If I said I want this, I want it for the rest of my life. Yung kaka ko napaso na. Mag-hotpot sana ako ng Friday. Kaso na-stop kasi nga, may mga gusto kong ayain, mga friends ko. I mean, wala naman problem. Kaso ayaw nila. So sabi nila, kahapon na lang, nung part-time namin kahapon. And hindi rin natuloy nung nag-part-time kami after namin mag-part-time. Kasi wala daw silang pera. So it's Sunday today, nag-decide ako, pumunta na lang mag-isa. Kasi, yeah, this is my retreat place. If ayaw ng friends ko, ako na lang pupunta. So, I still did what I wanted. And maganda rin kasi nakapag-focus ako sa I will tell you all the things that I've learned within 1 year here in Taiwan about everything. Actually, pumunta ako dito, umuulan. Sinugod ko yung ulan din, naglakad lang ako simula Chai Station to dito. Nilakad ko lang habang umuulan. Wala lang, gusto ko. Hindi, okay lang sa kasi gusto ko talagang mag-nap. So, it doesn't matter kung umuulan or hindi, pupunta ako. That's the kind of person I am. Whatever circumstances, I will pipilitin ko kung ano yung gusto ko. Ganun akong tao. My life here in Taiwan drastically changed pagdating sa perception ko sa sarili ko, perception ko sa buhay, perception ko sa surviving life. Ang dami ko pang madaming matututunan, pero marami na akong natutunan. By the time I came here, I just said that, okay, I'm gonna be more prepared about preparing my life. I'm in a new chapter where I am just alone, walang family. I already told you that a million times in my life. Pero nag-hit talaga yung sobrang nag-hit shocks. This is my first time experiencing a real homesickness. Talagang nakaka-homesick. Kasi 16 ka pa lang. I'm just 16 years old. I still don't know how to figure out life. Of course, I'm still young. But that's how you learn life, despite your age. Maybe God really knows that I'm prepared. And He's preparing me right now. Yeah, nakakapagod. You know, every time, I felt like hindi ako nagsiself-reflect sa sarili ko. I always feel overwhelmed. But every time I talk to you, I talk to the camera, that was the time I'm realizing things that I achieved something. I achieved this thing. Even though it's hard, even though I may face a lot of difficulties, I'm here. I cannot quit anymore. 1 year na ako dito. And I know that I have a lot of things to face when I arrive here. Alam kong mahirap siya, pero hindi ko na-realize yung depth. I haven't realized the depth of how hard it is until I went here and experienced it myself. And my first night here was a lot. I cried in my bed. I said to myself, what now? What now? What am I gonna do with this place? I don't really know. And I just trust God. I just said, whatever God is bringing me, just preparing me on something, I'll just stay. It was a good achievement. No 1 year na ako dito, guys. A roller coaster of emotions, of homesickness, and doubts, and fears. But at the same time, before my 1 year hit, I became a real Christian. And that is the best achievement ever that I've reached within 1 year of me here in Taiwan. A real Christian where my life now is aligned with what God is willing me to do. I completely hate sins now. I don't say bad words anymore. I began to read Bible every day, to pray every day and night. And that is the most beautiful achievement and most beautiful love I've ever had this season of my life. Even though I achieved to buy my own laptop, buy my own camera, experience a lot of different types of jobs. Even right now, I have a part-time in bakery. I'm experienced to get on with breads, shabu-shabu. Lahat yan, guys. Cleaning, everything. I've experienced, but I experienced God's powers. And that's the most wonderful thing. I said to myself, kahit umuulan, sinulong ko yung ulan, sabi ko, I'm gonna film content here. Isi-celebrate ako ng 1 year po. If you're asking me what the price is here, yung original is 170. Pero yung binili ko is milk cheese pot. So it costs 210 NTD. It's worth it. I love it. Worth it naman. And I'll show you the choices na only. Sige, iwan muna natin to. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga choices. Yung ibang drinks, masarap naman. Pero hindi ko masyadong try. Here, I'll show you. Ayan o, may juices. And this one. This is what I want. Milk tea. Diba? Ang dami pala. Popcorn, I don't really try those. I mean, I tried it before, but I really don't want it. I've been here a couple of times, so I know what I want and what I don't want. But here is the ice cream. There's an ice cream here. Only ice cream. Walang vanilla today. These are the flavors. Maybe I'll try mango. But all I want there is vanilla. Mga sauce. Yan. Stall of noodles. The rice is here. Hi! Anyway, wala namang masyadong tao today because maulan. Umuulan na, guys. Pumunta nga ako dito, sinugod ko lang para sa anniversary natin. And you know, I haven't eaten breakfast nor lunch, guys. Talagang ito lang yung meal ko ngayong araw. Why? Ewan ko. Minsan baliw ako sa pagkain. Minsan talaga nanukuntong ako sa pagkain. I wanna be vulnerable and honest with you. My most enemy here is food. Because I cannot cook, guys, at first. Pag nasa internship ako, nagluluto ako. But today, nag-decide ako na kumain na lang lahat ng isang araw, guys. And gusto ko mag-celebrate. I think the rain stopped. Tapusin lang natin yung saglit and maglakad-lakad tayo. Done, guys. Umuulan pa din. Ayan o, guys. I'm telling you. Umuulan pa din. So, naglalakad tayo pa uwi ng Chayin ng umuulan. But hey, my content doesn't stop. Oh my gosh. Are you guys okay? I'm about to tell you about the things I went through. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Right now, I really feel lost. I don't know what should I continue to do in order to survive my 3 years here. Well, 1 year is already finished. 2 years na lang. But, gusto kong umiyak, guys. I wanna be honest with you. The course that I picked, hindi ko siya gusto. So, I'm lost. I don't know if I should continue this thing or not. But I have to finish high school. That's just my ultimate goal. Why? Kung bakit nandito tayo. Yun na lang yung hold on ko ngayon. Ang ganda ng park ko. Wait. Yun na lang yung gusto kong i-hold on for now. But I'll just finish this high school here and I'll do vlogs. Probably that's the thing that we're gonna make that papa-ignite nung spark ko dito sa Taiwan. Because my school here, I feel lost with it. Wait lang ha, punta tayo sa station R, guys. Hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko pa dito. Because there are just things that I feel na hindi ako aligned in my future. Especially the course that I picked. And of course, malamang if yung course na pinili mo yung, syempre, it's a big factor for you if you really are satisfied to stay here. Doon ako nahihirapan as of now. Ayoko naman nasayangin yung araw, diba? Ayoko magsayang. Hindi to feel ko nagsasayang ko ng oras. Well, we all have different challenges naman pagdating sa buhay. There's a part of me that wants to fast forward my life into the dream that I want. Pero lagi yung sinasabi ni God sa akin, paano ko pupunta dun sa dreams na yun if I don't experience this season? Pangarap ko to, guys. Pangarap ko magkaroon ng art supplies. Pangarap ko mag-filming. Pangarap ko maging music artist. Everything creatives. And my course is IT. Not aligned. So, I feel lost. Tinatry kong i-step out yung sarili ko into something na magugustuhan ko naman. Mag-i-enjoy ako. Pero what I experience here is practicality. Like work, school. So, I don't feel satisfied. I don't get to do the things that I love to do. Ito ang pagbablog ko, guys. Ginagawan ko pa ng extra time para lang makapag-edit ako ng videos kasi wala talaga akong oras. I don't have time, honestly. If I post something in here, it took me probably weeks to edit it. Kasi I just don't have the time. I have part-time. I have different... I can't even name you guys. Pero sobrang... I'm struggling to find time. I'm also working at editing sa kong pina-part-time. Nag-edit ako sa school na yun. Mga videos para sa school. And also, may part-time ako na bakery. And cute naman ito. Late ako tsara. And at the same time, nag-aaral ako ng hindi ko maintindihan na language. It's all chaos and complex in my head. Nakala mo madali, pero hindi talaga guys. Mahirap dito mag-aral sa premise sa Taiwan. Because I cannot easily adapt on their culture. Because I'm not interested on it. I wanna be vulnerable to you guys. Hindi ako masyadong intrigued and interested sa culture nila. Kaya nahihirapan ako. I'm trying hard, honestly. Nakakagets ako, yes. Nakakagets ako ng konti. Pero hindi pa lahat. I just really wish na mapunta ako sa isang place na alam kong magugustuhan ko and I feel like I belong. But here, I don't. Yun, gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Kasi sobrang dal-dal ko dito. Hindi ko na mahanap yung hinahanap. Lace. Asan may lace? I ready. Yarn na lang tsaka pang yarn. Ano yarn? Chat. Ang cute niya. Yung business na lang kayo ng ganito. Charot. Sketch pencil. Okay na to. Tama na. Wala ka na ibang bibili na Ayesh. Okay na to.
46，要载具吗？ 谢谢。
Nagpe-paint kasi ako guys. Meron binigay sa akin yung teacher ko na na painting na gusto kong tapusin para makuha ko yung tiwala niya. Sip-sip, no? Charot, joke lang. Hindi. Ano kasi, like, tawag doon? Si Chuchang kasi, siya, like, siya kasi yung head ng, ng mga nag-organize sa school pag may events and ganyan-ganyan. Eh, gusto ko mag-volunteer, mag-organize kineme ng mga, sino man eh, wala na kasing point yung pag-aaral. Charot. Hindi kasi gusto ko may magawa akong something. I wanna make something new to students here na hindi ginagawa ng mga students kasi hindi man na initiative yung mga students dito. Alam nyo ba? Hindi, gusto ko maging honest. I don't want gusto ko maging honest pagdating sa mga ganito guys. Pupunta tayo sa famous sa famous circle daan. Rotonda ba to? Rotonda. Basta yung famous rotonda sa Chai. Ayun o. Tadeng! Basta pupunta tayo doon. You know, kaya nga ginagawa ko tong pagbablog para may magawa naman akong something valuable dito sa Taiwan. Kasi nga, I just see the students don't take any initiative pagdating sa mga something na they're passionate about. I don't even know if they have passions. Wala lang silang ginagawa. Like, parang patamad-tamad lang, gala-gala, and just cellphone, pagdating sa room. I don't see anyone that is really trying to be passionate about something in life. And I don't wanna be like that. Ayokong ma-absorb yung ganong idea ng life. Kung ganon yung buhay, gusto nila sa buhay nila, that's what they want. Okay, but I don't wanna be like that. Kaya, I'm trying to do things. Bumili ako ng laptop, bumili ako ng vlogging camera so that may magawa akong something valuable bago ko umalis dito kasi ayokong masayang yung mga panahon ko dito sa Taiwan. I know that I'm not permanent here. Alam kong aalis din ako dito. Kasi hindi ko talaga gusto dito, guys. Hindi naman in a way na not because I hate Taiwan. I love Taiwan. I love how organized their country is. Sobrang galing. Ang galing. Nagugulat ako sa transportation. Basta, I love Taiwan. I don't hate Taiwan. The real reason is that I don't feel belong here. It doesn't mean that even if I like the place, it doesn't mean that I feel belong in a place. Wala naman akong bad comments sa Taiwan. Ang ganda ng Taiwan, no? Wala talaga. I don't hate Taiwan. Sobrang ganda ng Taiwan. I love it so much. Look at their convenience store. It even has this kind of things, right? It's like, it looks pleasing to the eyes of the people. They even have this everywhere. The claw machines. I'm telling you, ang ganda ng Taiwan, guys. I love Taiwan, promise. This is the famous rotonda in Chai. In Taiwan, charat. Ayan, di ba? Kung nakikita nyo to, pag sinerch nyo yung Chai sa Chai, Taiwan, ito yung makikita nyo. Gusto ko mag-photo booth. Pero ang dami nagpa-photo booth. Next time na lang. Pero, ayan famous rotonda ng Taiwan. Ayan, night market dun, guys. Pero pupunta tayo sa train station. Train station na tayo kasi ayoko na magpadalos-dalos dito mag-edit pa ako ng videos. Gusto ko na ikwento yung life ko dito sa Taiwan kasi I just want to share you all my experiences, my real, honest experience and what I'm learning through every experiences that I'm facing. Kahit problems yan, kahit ano yan be. Ikukwento ko kasi gusto ko is ma-absorb ko yung self-reflection. And gusto ko ma-absorb nyo din yung self-reflection sa mga bagay na natutunan ko dito sa Taiwan. Pure Tagalog na tayo, guys. Diba?
Talagang ano na tayo, pure Tagalog na. Kasi deep usapin na to, guys. Kaya ako din yung mahihirapan mag-edit ng subtitles talaga dito. Anyways, on 1 year na ako. And to be honest ha, ito lang yung rest day ko. Sunday. Sunday lang yung rest day ko for now. Last week of Sunday, I have part-time. This is just my first time na pagbalik namin sa school. September 1, I think. Ito lang yung oras na nagkapahinga talaga ako kasi may part-time ako nung weekends, Sabado, Linggo. Saturday, Sunday, have part-time and then pasok. Tapos weekdays, bukas, after class, part-time, 6 to 10 p.m. Wala talagang pahinga, guys. Wala kayo sa akin, kaya hihirapan ako mag-manage ng oras ko kung kailan ko ma-edit to. Baka mamaya, ma-post ko to October pa. September 14 ngayon, pero ma-post ko to October pa. Ina-edit ko pa yung video ko nung August 14, yung Camila Cabello concert, tsaka yung binili ko tong camera, ina-edit ko pa din siya hanggang ngayon. Kaya September ko na mapopost yun. Pag nakita niyo nag-post na ako September sa YouTube, yun na yun. Pero August siya naganap. I promise guys, yung internship, overtime malala. Talagang 7 to 7 yung pasok ko. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Isang araw lang yung pahinga. Maglalaba ka, magplano ka ng chores. Hindi ko naman kaya mag-edit ng isang araw lang. Yun lang yung mga na-experience ko dito. I'm still figuring out kung paano ko mamamanage yung oras ko. Studying, working, and at the same time doing my side hustle, which is my vlogs. Meron ako side hustle dati, yung vlogs women. Pero tinanggal ko na siya. Not because I'm inactive in it, just because I'm a Christian now and feel ko hindi na aligned yung mga pinagpopost ko doon na pang independent woman. Parang hindi na siya aligned for me. Hindi naman siya bad. Like, may mga narcissistic things lang. Syempre, ayoko nang i-spread sa tao. Kasi Christian na tayo, guys. Dinil ko talaga siya. It has over 45k followers sa Instagram. I deleted it. I already monetized it by selling a digital product na hindi na satisfied yung cost. Kasi tinatry ko talaga na I'm trying to make side hustle, guys. For me, hindi enough yung nag-aaral ka lang dito tapos wala kang ginagawa halos. I really don't like to waste time. Kung pwede nga lang, hindi na ako mag-aral muna eh. Pero, nonetheless, kailangan kong tapusin yung senior high ko. Kasi pag yung senior high ko, magka-college na ako. And meron akong dream college. I have a dream college, guys. Gusto kong pumunta sa TETR. TETR College of Business. That's my I feel like I belong there. I really feel like yung mga estudyante doon, the students there are like me, the one that cannot rest ng hindi na-find na valuable yung buhay nila. That's what I want. Naiiyak talaga ako pag naiisip ko yung dream college ko. I promise guys, I really wanna go to that school. I will do what it takes. After ko mag-senior high, mag-a-apply ako doon. And hindi ako magka-college hanggat hindi ako natatanggap doon sa college na yun. As in, yun talaga yung gusto kong college. Kasi gusto ko din maging entrepreneur. And I wanna make business. I wanna make innovations too. I wanna make innovations, guys. I wanna bring and contribute a big inspiration to the world. Kaya ito binablog eh. Ayoko kasing ma-stuck sa... Wait lang, commercial. Ayoko kasi ma-stuck sa life na parang walang meaning. Ayoko ma-stuck sa life na ganun-ganun lang. Life lang, that's it? No, I don't like it. If I wanna reach inspiration to the whole world, I will do it, guys. A lot of people, especially here, yung mga kakasama ko dito, they don't think like that. And that's the issue. I don't wanna be in an environment where I don't feel like I don't belong in it. Oh my gosh. Ayoko tumakbo. Busog ako eh. Ano na lang yung 1 second na lang. And I feel like God is putting me in this season for me to realize that I really need to step up sa dreams ko. Kasi if ibibigay niyo lang yun sa akin ng basta-basta lang, then I will not value it. I will not value every step, every time that it takes to be there. That's why, ayun, naiiyak ako. Naiiyak talaga ako, guys, promise. I feel goosebumps whenever I talk about my dream college, my dream life. Kasi I know I will do what it takes to get there. I will not stop. Kahit nandito ako sa pinaka-hardest season, I am still vlogging kahit umuulan. And I'm still vlogging kahit ganito yung nafe-feel ko. And patuloy pa din akong mag-e-edit kahit it takes months to edit. Totoo guys, promise, nahihirapan ako maghano ng oras. Pero at the end of the day, I still have to do it. Walang excuse na pwedeng gawin. Kahit anong sabihin ko dito, kahit ilang excuse pa yung sabihin ko sa inyo, it doesn't validate if I don't post it, right? Because my real mission here is to inspire you guys that I will do and you can do. I can do it and you can do it. Pumunta ako sa Taiwan mag-isa as an independent 16-year-old girl. If I can do it, you can do it too, guys. This is your sign to take risk. This is your sign to cry on your dreams and really do what it takes to be there.